Can a service-based business be on Instagram? Yes, everybody should be on Instagram. Everybody except proctologists. Proctologists don't need to be sharing pictures of what they do. But seriously, even a proctologist can be on Instagram. They can share pictures more of employees or people that work behind the scenes. If you're a proctologist, behind may not be what you're thinking right now, so let's clarify. The idea is to let people meet your employees. Let them know who they're going to talk to when they come in the office. Let them know who's answering that phone or going to be looking at their paperwork. What you want to do is build some familiarity. People want to be familiar and feel comfortable before they come in. Now, if you work with a more public service, such as an exterminator, a mechanic, a limo driver, you've got a lot of opportunities. Not only can you let them meet the people that will be coming to fix the pipes in their home or working on the car that they drive their kids and want to make sure whoever's working on it is sane. If you're a limo driver, you may go lots of different places. You can share all of these things so they're going to meet who's coming to their home, where they can go. It's all about familiarity. Not only that, you can educate them a little bit. Let them know what it is you do and why you're special. The goal with most social sites is to build trust, interest, and familiarity with your brand. So, yes, a service-based business most definitely can be on Instagram.